Hello my dear students, I welcome you all to my English class. Today we are going to understand the chapter Friends in the Park. So let's start. So children, we are on page number 17 of the chapter Friends in the Park. Okay? And our first question is, pick the right option to answer these questions. Question number 1. Where does Manu go to play? And two options are given. A. The school playground. B. The park. Now one of them is correct and the other one is wrong. So we are going to tick the correct one. Okay. So the correct option is the B one, the park. Where does Manu go to the park? Sorry. Where does Manu go to play? In the park. So B option is correct. Okay. Come to the second one. What do Manu and Amina do with the other children? The options are A1. They run around and play. B is they read books. So one is correct and the other one is wrong. So the correct option is they run around and play. So we are going to take A option. What do Manu and Amina do with the other children? Here, they run around and play. Come to the third one. What do they love the most in the park? Option A. They love the seesaw the most. Option B. They love the swings the most. And which one is the correct option? So the correct option is B option. We are going to tick that one. They love the swings the most. I repeat, what do they love the most in the park? They love the swings the most. Okay, come to the fourth one. Why do the children not want to play with Sunny? And the option A is he is too big. Option B says he is too rough. And what is the correct option? So the correct option here is he is too rough. His behavior was not very nice to rest of the children, so he was too rough to them, and so this option is correct. Why do the children not want to play with Sunny? He is too rough. Remember, he pushed Manu off the swing, and that is the reason children did not want to play with Sunny. Okay. Come to the fifth one. What does Sunny do in the end? Option A. He laughs at them. Option B. He says sorry to Manu. And the correct option is he says sorry to Manu. What does Sunny do in the end? He says sorry to Manu. Why did he say sorry? Because he pushed Manu off the swing and Manu got hurt because of him. And rest of the children were not playing with Sunny. And so Sunny decided to say sorry to Manu. And then later on, all the children started playing with Sunny. Okay? Let's see the B question. Write yes if these sentences are true, or no if these sentences are not true. So if it is true, we are going to write yes. If it is not true, we are going to write no in the blank given. Okay. Let's see the first sentence. Manu and Amina love to play on the seesaw and the slippery slide. So this statement is true. So we are going to write yes before it. Y-E-S. Write with me, children. I repeat, Manu and Amina love to play on the seesaw and the slippery slide. Yes, because we have written yes because this statement is true. Come to the second one. There were 3 swings in the park. So do you remember how many swings were there in the park? Tell me whether this statement is not true. So we are going to write here N-O, no. There were 3 swings in the park. No, there were only 2 swings in the park. So this statement is not true. Okay. Come to the third one. Sunny pushed Manu off the swing. This statement is true or not true? Sunny pushed Manu off the swing. This statement is true. So we are going to write here Y-E-S, yes. And remember, children, this is not a good behavior. This is a rough behavior, pushing anyone. So we should not push anyone from anywhere. Okay? Fourth one, Manu hurt his leg because of Sunny. True or not true? What should I write? Yes or no? So Manu hurt his leg because of Sunny. Yes. How he got hurt? Because Sunny pushed Manu off the swing, and that is the reason how Manu hurt his leg. So this statement is true. So we are going to write here yes. Y-E-S, yes. Come to the fifth one. Sunny listened to Amina. So this statement, Sunny listened to Amina, is not true. So I am writing here N-O, no. Okay. And that was the reason all the children stopped talking to Sunny, because after pushing Manu from the swing, he did not listen to Amina, and so children did not want to talk or play with Sunny. So this statement is Sunny listened to Amina is not true. Okay. So write here N-O, no. Okay. Turn the page, children. We are on page number 1919. Look at this question. Question number C. Look at the pictures on the next page. Write the names of the things. Choose from the box. Now some of the names are given here. You have to choose the correct one and write in the next page. Okay? Let's see what is given here. Seesaw. You can repeat after me, children. Seesaw. Swing. Slide. Bench. Tree. Merry-go-round. Now these are the things you will find in the park. Now turn your page to page number 20. So children, we are now on page number 20, and just have a look at these pictures. We have to write their names. And can you see this? What is this picture? This picture is of a slide. Yes. So write with me. S-L-I-D-E. Slide. And picture number 2. What is this picture? This is a picture of a bench. So we are going to write here bench. Write with me. B-E-N-C-H, bench. Now we go for the third picture. What is this picture? This is a picture of a seesaw. So write with me. S-E-E-C-S-A-W, saw, seesaw. And the next picture, that is picture number 4. And this picture is of a tree. So write with me. T-R-E-E, tree. And the next picture, picture number 5, is of a merry-go-round, which you are going to find in the park. All these things are there in the park. So write with me here. Merry, M-E-R-R-Y, merry. Put a small dash. Go. One more dash. R-O-U-N-D. Round, merry go round. What is the name of this picture? What is this picture about? It is of a merry-go-round. We call it as merry-go-round. And picture number 6. This is a slide. Write with me. And picture number 6. This picture is of a swing. So write with me. S-W-I-N-G, swing. We all love to swing, right? Okay, whenever we go to the park, we love to swing in the park. Okay. Let's repeat the words, children. Slide. S-L-I-D-E, slide. Bench. Bench. B-E-N-C-H, bench. Seesaw. Seesaw. S-E-A-S-A-W, seesaw. S-E-E-C-S-A-W, saw, seesaw. And the next one is tree. T-R-E-E, tree. I repeat, T-R-E-E, tree. And this is a picture of merry-go-round. M-E-R-R-Y, merry. G-O-Go, R-O-U-N-D, round, and in between you have to put 2 dashes. This is the way how we write merry-go-round. And picture number 6 is of a swing. S-W-I-N-G, swing. S-W-I-N-G, swing. So this was all for today, children. Thank you.